Hey there, it's Phil from WTI, and this is my camera mount. It's the Elgato Master Mount S, and I got it right from the Elgato store. First, I want to talk about how this thing extends. It starts off at a minimum of 13 inches, and then all you have to do is rotate this center ring a little bit, and then you're able to extend it up to 21 inches and keep it wherever you want it in between. The clamp that attaches it to the desk is super sturdy. It on the inside is actually padded to protect your desk, and then all you have to do is rotate this little knob and it will go up to a depth of 2.35 inches. So it even works on desks that are a little bit wider. How the camera actually attaches to the mount is pretty standard. It's a 1/4 inch screw. Now I will say that I have a little bit of difficulty getting my camera off and on because there's no like spinny knob thing at the bottom, so you actually have to rotate your camera to get it off and on. But it attaches to this really cool ball joint at the top. So between being able to choose your angle this way and being able to rotate this thing 360 degrees, you can pretty much achieve any angle of a shot that you want. A really cool bonus about this mount in particular is that it comes with these cable clips. So you can actually just slip them over the poles like this, and then you thread your cables through, and it keeps your cables tucked away and out of your shot. Now we use our camera as our webcam as well, so typically we have this just permanently set up at our main desk. That way we can just flick the camera on and we're ready to go. And we have not been disappointed at all with its performance, but that's just my point of view.